Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Yes children, this is your first unit light lesson. So already we have completed eclipse children, solar and lunar eclipse. Today we are going to learn the real and virtual images. Yes. And what is real and virtual images children? Yeah, you take some images being formed in the pinhole camera and a mirror. Can we see the different both of the images children? Yes. So firstly, the images of the pinhole camera was formed in the screen. So while the images made from the mirror is not obtained from the screen. So the images that can be obtained on the screen is called what? A real image. That which cannot be obtained in the screen, that is called it as what? That is called it as virtual images. And see the properties of image formed in the plane mirror children. It's very important property. The images formed in the plane mirror is upright. And the images formed in the plane mirror is always what? Virtual image. And the third point, the images of the same size of the object. The next one is the distance of the object from the plane mirror is always equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. And the last point, the image always what? Laterally inverted image. See this activity children? Yeah. So see this name board children. Suppose you write the Einstein. See this mirror? So Einstein always write in the inverted image. Okay. Fine. And next see this picture children. Yes, see this picture children. Yeah. So light source already you know two types of light source children. One is natural light source. Second one is artificial light source. So the light rays and following the objects, finally you see the vision, okay. And you see the rectilinear propagation of light, yes or no? Yes. So you see the pinhole camera, the images are always formed in the real image as well as what? Virtual images also formed. And you see the reflection of light rays children, yeah. Smooth reflection and then rough reflection. This is the laws of reflection children, angle of incidence. And you get the reflected ray. So always equal to the angle of incidence, angle of I is equal to angle R. And the mirror here, the solar eclipse and the two types of eclipse children. Yeah, solar eclipse and then lunar eclipse. And the last one is what? Mirror and the images also formed. And next see the important topic, color. Yes. So how many of you like color? Yeah, I think all of you like color. Yes or no? So how many colors they are present in here children? 7 colors. That is called as Vibgya. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and then red. So this is called as what? Yeah, 7 colors. The color of sunlight, okay. Light is a form of energy in the form of waves that stimulates, okay. That stimulates that retina of your eyes. See, your visible light is a spectrum of number of waves and number of different wavelengths are formed. So you get the 400 waves, that means nanometer to 700 nanometers. So 1 nanometer, what is the value of 1 nanometer children? 10 power minus 9 meter. This is called as what? 1 nanometer. So each of the definite wavelength represents from your particular color. And see the first, which one is the highest wavelength children? Red. So see the last color, red. This is the highest wavelength children. So the violet color has a very shortest wavelength. Okay. So that is the main reason we are using the red color in the, we are using the signals. You see the signal children, red signal? Yeah. Because that is the very highest wavelength. So the light rays of a particular wavelength, that means strike the retina of your eyes immediately. So the brain perceives the specific colors. So when all the colors are visible light strike the retina of your eyes. At the same time, our brain perceives a white color. The white is not a color of all light children, but it is a combination of all colors of the spectrum of light. And you see children, so what is prism? You see the prism children? Yeah, the prism is a object made up of a transparent material like glass or plastic, and that has at least 2 flat surface children. It's a form of acute angle children. You see the 90 degree? Yeah, this is called as prism. We are using the higher secondary, okay, 11th and 12th practicals. We are using the prisms. You are using the spectrometer. Okay, fine. And see the different colors, children. 7 colors. Yeah, WebGR. And now let's see the difference between the images formed in the pinhole camera and the plane mirror. See here, images formed in the pinhole camera. Here always the image is always real image. So the plane mirror always what? Virtual image. And see the pinhole cameras, the images may not be equal in the size of your object. Here the plane mirrors always images is equal to the size of your object. And third point, see this pinhole camera, the image is always inverted. Here the plane mirror, the image is always what? Erect. Okay? Yes. See this picture, children. See the sunlight formed. The different colors, children. You see the rainbow, children. Yeah, in a rainy season. Yeah. So rainbow, it's a mixture of all the 7 colors. Yes or no? Yeah. So why danger light always vehicle or red in color, children? What is the main reason? Yeah, already I told. The red color is scattered at least by air molecules. Scattered in all air molecules also. Here the red color has the highest wavelength of all the other colors. So the red color is able to travel the longest distance through your air. That means fog. This is clear to children when the light is passed through the light source. This is clear to children. Yes. And yes, children, see the Newton disk. This is a very important 5-mark question, children. Yeah. See this picture, children. Yes, it's a very nice picture, you know. So Newton suggests the process of mixing different colors to make a white color by setting an arrangement. Okay. And Newton disk is cardboard. You take a cardboard disk with 7 colors. See the first picture. They are putting the 7 colors is equal. Okay. And sector colors are red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo and violet. So when the disk is turned quickly, you see the retina receives the sensation of spectrum simultaneously. The disk appears in, see the white color. See the second picture, children. Yeah. Using the disk, one can explain the white is combination of what? Yeah, WebGR. This is clear to you, children. Yes. Yes, children, already you know, children. Yeah. So white shot will reflect white light. Can be seen white light consists of what? Different colors. When we look at the white shirt through the yellow and Galatian papers, children, we see the yellow in color, children. Yes. So you get the mixture of different colors. Similarly, we conclude the red Galatian papers allows only from your red light and blue Galatian papers allows only from your blue color. And see the synthesis of colors, children. That means you have to mixture of colors. And you see the method of creating a color mixing of various proportions. Okay, different proportions. For example, 1:2 or 2:1. 2 or 3 distinct colors of light. 3 distinct colors of red, green and blue are called what? Primary colors. What are the primary colors, children? Red, green and blue. So these are all the first primary colors. So you take equal proportions of 2 primary colors to create a secondary colors. Yes or no? Yes. So see this picture, children. Color synthesis. See the magenta, cyan and yellow are called the secondary colors. Yes. So you have to add some colors. Red plus blue, you get the magenta colors. Blue plus green, you get the cyan color. Okay, green plus red, you get the yellow color. So equal proportions of all 3 primary colors, you get a white color. Okay, so red, blue and green. So you get the which color, children? Yes, white color is formed. Yes, this is clear to you, children. Yes. So this lesson is over, children. Yes, this lesson is over, children. Now let's move for the 1 marks. Yes. Take your textbook, children. Yeah. The lesson is over, children. I'll give you the 1 marks, children. Yes. Take the page number 19. See the first unit light. Okay. Take your pencil, children. See the Roman letter 1. Choose the correct options. First one, light travels only in a straight line. Because of this properties that shadows are formed. Okay. So the answer is option B. Second one, light that hits a mirror gets reflected. Option B, reflected. Third one, mirror surface reflects the light well. Option C, mirror. Fourth one, light is a form of energy. Option B, energy. Fifth one, you can see your image is in polished floor but not in wooden table, because so the answer is option B, regular reflection takes place in polished floor and irregular reflection in wooden table. See the sixth question. Choose the translucent substance from the following. Option D, clouds. Seventh one, reflection occurs when the light, option B, approaches a surface. Eighth one, which of the following is the best reflector of light? Option B, plane mirror. So the ninth answer is option D, the shadow will be shorter. 10th one, the images formed in the pinhole camera is inverted because light travels always in straight line. Option A. And see the 11th question, children. Which of the following facts explain how the shadows are formed? Here the answer is both A and B. A is the light travels in a straight line. B, opaque bodies do not allow the light to pass through them. Okay. See the fill in the blanks, children. A plane mirror produces a virtual and erract image. Erract means error. Error means mistake. Second one, a regular reflection helps to see the objects. Third one, the light rays get reflected when it falls on any polished surface. Fourth one, sunlight is a blend of 7 colors. Fifth one, the splitting of white light into 7 colors is called the dispersion. Sixth one, moon reflects sunlight. Seventh one, the sunlight can be split into constant color using prism. Eighth one, reflection of light from the rough surface is called the regular reflection. So true or false? The first one is the image of right hand in the plane mirror looks like a left hand. It's a true. Rainbow is formed with the dispersion of white light from the water drops. This is also true statement. Okay, I'll give you the answers, children. See the following, children. Rectilinear propagation, that means pinhole camera. Plane mirror, periscope. Fireflies. Third one, luminous objects. Fourth one, moon, non-luminous object. Okay. White light source. Fifth one, penumbra. Sixth one, a regular reflection is glossy surface. Seventh one, sun, primary source of light. Eighth one, band of 7 colors, spectrum of light. Okay, children, I'll give you this 1 marks also, children. Complete your science book, children. Okay, write the 1 marks in your textbook itself only. Okay, remaining all the question answers write in your classwork note, children. So this lesson is over, children. Complete your assignment, report in the group without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you.